Hello, are we ready?
Not yet.
I think people think really high of me because they love my drawings. My favorite thing to draw are every single thing in the whole world. My favorite color is purple, but it was blue. And then it was red. My mommy's favorite color is orange. And my brother's favorite color is yellow. One Lego project I worked on was an excavator, a truck, and some sharks. And I just had to take off my jacket. It was so itchy and there was so much hair on it. My name is Zane. I'm a kid and I go to preschool. Today, we're going to do a tour of my dollhouse. I'll be honest, my client was pretty demanding. We found the dollhouse on the side of the road. So dirty. It had leaves in the corner. First, we cleaned it all up. Mommy painted and I helped sand it. I went with Mommy to go to the Benz and More store. Welcome to my dollhouse. Right when you walk in, you enter the kitchen. The wallpaper reminds me of a circus. The floor is kind of a chessboard. I like that the table is round so my fingers can do high-lows. If you helped your little brother, then that's a high, and if you didn't help your little brother, that's a low. The kitchen is good for cooking and making snacks. Next to the kitchen is the living room, dining room. So this is a table, but you can just put news in here, and then you can just eat your food up here. And these are record players on the wall. This is a swing. My little brother made it for me for my birthday. Faces. And then here are all the pictures. Then the top room has like a table where faces go on. This is a nice table, 2 red chairs. The waves remind me of an ocean. You can play on the floor over here, and then you can just read books on the chairs. These are actually good books, right? We just found these 2 colors, black satin. This is Brazilian rainforest. Benson and More store. But it looks very good on the house. We made the roof black because it was a roof. That made sense. Here is your room where the covers can come out, this thing can come out, pillow can come out. And these are some flowers. Here, a few of them. Not real. I really like the vases and plants because I got some plants from Target. If I was small, I would wanted to live in that room. I would describe the end to start this project. I like it this much, as big as my face. Don't forget to like and subscribe.